Good afternoon, guys. Cameras on. Cameras on. Sandeep, Meghna, Chintamani, Sarita, Sonia, Lakshmi, Monica. And let's start, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, doing the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Super. Let's start. Tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Press the palms down, spread the fingers, bring the pelvis in, core engage, separate the scapula, and you're going to shift weight forward towards the palms, press the palms down, all the corners, engage fingers. With the palm press, you will come to center. Don't lean back. Yeah, you will stop when you feel the hip on top of the knee. Let's go. Inhale forward. Exhale center. Inhale 2. Exhale center. Inhale 3. Exhale center. Continue. Inhale 4. Exhale center. Inhale 5. Exhale center. Inhale 6. Exhale center. Inhale 7. Exhale center. 3 more. Inhale 8. Exhale center. Inhale 9. Exhale center. Inhale 10. Coming forward and hold. Hands the spine, separate the scapula, press the mat away with the hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Now we will roll the shoulders. 10, 9, lock the elbows. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7. Continue. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Guys, those who are coming more than 5 minutes late, please next time come on time, otherwise not accepted in my class. It disrupts the flow. Now guys, watch me. We will tuck toes and wait. I'm merging with the mat. We will tuck toes under, press the hands, lift the knees up, knee to chest, back to center. The knees are not touching, yeah? They are a little bit lifted. Knee to chest, other leg, and center. 1 minute. Guys, super important. Press the mat away with your hands. Separate the scapula. Ready? Let's go. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, and up. Start. Guys, can you hear me? Start, start, start. Those who are lost. The knees are not touching the floor. Deepika and Dheeraj, please cameras on. Last 30 seconds. Slow movement, guys. Slow movement. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knees down. Next. From tabletop, make sure you have a good measurement. Yeah, make sure the wrist, elbow, shoulder is in one line and the knees are right under your hips. Yeah, so this is not a tabletop and this is not a tabletop. Make sure, check yourself. Hands, shoulder distance, knee, hip distance. Now you will lift the knees, extend the legs back into high plank. Press and with the feet together. With the heels, you will shift weight to the hands, back to center. The hands, back to center. Now I have an opportunity with my hands to press away, separate the scapula, engage the fingertips, yes? Everything tight. Core engaged. Pelvis cannot be open. Pelvis have to be inside. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Prepare. 30 seconds. Moving slowly forward, feeling the weight coming to all the corners of the hands, fingertips engage. Exhale back. Continue. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Take a moment. Guys, the pelvis in. Yeah? Some of you have the pelvis out like in cow position. Pelvis in, which helps also keep the core in place. Squeeze the glutes. Pelvis inside. Yeah? This is the same for your handstand. Now, plank position. I don't know what happened here, guys. It used to be automatic. Now I have to change the view every time. I'm not sure what happened. Plank position, knee to the tricep. So above the elbow, lower to the wrist. Up and back. I repeat, knee to the triceps, lower to the wrist. Up again and back. The hip doesn't go up. I keep myself in the plank position. Yes, knee. Core compression. I'm pressing the mat away. I lower down. I keep pressing the hands. Up and back. And then I change leg. 1 rep each leg. Alternate your legs. We will do 2 rounds of 30 seconds. This is a tough and slow exercise. All the attention in pressing away. Scapula separating. Yes, do not collapse here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start. Knee to triceps, lower down to the wrist. Up to triceps, knee up to triceps and then back. Knee to triceps, lower to wrist, up to triceps and then extend back. Keep pressing the mat away. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Guys, the knee goes to your triceps. So here, then it goes down to the wrist, up to the triceps, and then extend back. Yeah? The key here is to keep pressing the mat away, to keep this core compression. Yeah? The moment you don't press the mat away, you start collapsing. You will see the hips also start going down. Yeah? We go again. Second round, 30 seconds, same exercise. 3, 2, everyone plank position. And we start. Knee to triceps, down to the wrist, up to the triceps, and back. Sonia, more weight to the hands. Last 10, 9, 8. Diraj, please camera on. Last time I'm saying this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Super. Now, last one here in the high plank. We will take high plank, knee to opposite elbow. Now, I don't want to twist the hips. The hips stay in place. Knee to opposite elbow and back. Knee to opposite elbow and back. Slow exercise. Don't try to do this. Go nicely. See how far you can go until touching and back. When I go back, I squeeze the glutes. Otherwise, the pelvis will open up. Yeah? 1 minute non-stop. Diraj, if you have space, give me side angle, please. I can't see. I can only see your face. Ready, guys? Everyone high plank. Pressing the mat away, core engage, pelvis in. And we start. Knee to opposite elbow, slow movement. Knee to opposite elbow. Stay in your plank. Knee to opposite elbow, guys. Some of you are doing knee to same elbow. Knee to opposite elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees down. Take a moment and then we do the other 30 seconds. Guys, some of you are lifting the hip up. When you are changing leg, the hip tries to remain the same place. We don't lift it up. We lift it up because we feel tough in the core, yeah? But that is the work. Yeah, that's the work. If we don't feel it, what are we working on, no? It's like temporary discomfort, guys. I know it's tough. The fact that I did it many times doesn't mean it's less tough. Still tough. Yeah? So, focus on the movement. Start focusing, oh my God, how long until Patty says enough. Yeah? Focus on one. Full present moment. Yeah? Let's go. Everyone take position. Make sure shoulders are on top of wrist. And step back high plank. 3, 2, 1, start. Knee to opposite elbow. Full control. Divya, keep the hips low. Don't lean back. Super. Pelvis in, Lakshmi. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release down. Very good. Watch me, guys. I will show you a different mat color, otherwise you won't see me. Ah, yeah. Where I am. Now, we will lay down on the back. will lay down on the back fully, palms pressing down. Can you see me, right? No. Palms pressing down. Now we will lift knees 90 degrees stack position from the toes to the knee, from the knee to the hip, one line. Exhale here, option 1. Chin in, exhale lower, option 2. Arms up, exhale here, or arms behind, exhale. 30 seconds, slow movement, guys. The lower back is pressing towards the mat. Yeah? Let's start. Everyone prepare. 90 degrees, choose your variation, and time is on. Slow movement. Pressing lower back down, guys. Move slow. Extend the legs. Maximum engagement. Knees to touch, heels to touch. Super. Vijaya, knees together. Pressing lower back down. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Watch me. Now, with the chin in, everyone, we will go tuck, straight line, tuck, open diamond, tuck, straight line, tuck, open diamond, tuck, straight line, tuck, open diamond. If you can do the diamond lower, amazing. So you will go tuck, straight line, tuck, and diamond. The lower back keep pressing. Only the toes are touching in this diamond. Diamond is this one. Yeah? So only if we can do this nicely, we will do low. Otherwise, keep it a bit up. So from tuck, you keep the toes together and it's easier to open. Chin in. Yes, tuck. Straight line. Again, if you need to do here. Tuck, open here, or here. 30 seconds. Guys, this is intense. We move slow. Yeah? Ready? Prepare. Full back down. Press the hands. Chin up. And we go tuck. Straight line. Tuck. Toes together. Open diamond. Tuck. Straight line. Tuck. Toes together. Open diamond. Tuck. Straight line. Tuck. Open diamond. Tuck. Straight line. Tuck. Open diamond. Last one. Tuck. Straight line. Tuck. Open diamond. And release. Super, guys. Next one. You will lay down. This time we bring the hands to the side. Press the palms. Yes, keep the head down. Only core engaged. Now we will go tuck, straight line. Open straddle. Closing tuck. Straight line. Open straddle. Closing tuck. Straight line. Open straddle. Closing tuck. If you feel comfortable here, you can chin in and straighten the arms up. Tuck, straight line, open straddle, closing tuck, straight line, straddle, and tuck. There is a difference here between doing the exercise low and doing this. Whatever. This is nothing. Yeah? If you try one fast rep, you will see, if you compare with the slow rep, how much you're missing in the details. Yeah, the rotation, coming legs together, the engagement of the core, moving slow, guys. Super important. Yes, we will go in 3, prepare, 2, full spine pressing down, lower back down, and 1. Time is on. Tuck, straight line, straddle, tuck, straight line, in your own rhythm. Tuck, remember, straight line, straddle, and tuck. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Take a rest. In the meantime, watch me. Now we will reverse. We will go straight line, straddle, tuck. Straight line, straddle, tuck. Yes? Straight line, straddle, tuck. Whenever you're ready. 3, 2, knees together, guys. In the tuck, the knees are pressing to each other, feet to each other. And 1, we start. Straight line, straddle, tuck. Straight line, as low as you can, straddle, low, tuck. Straight line, straddle, tuck. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Take a moment, take a rest.
Yeah, it's like all the time when I do it, like for many years, like something always is in my, like this sound in the joint.
Clicking sound in your hip.
All the time, yes. Why is it
How much you practice hip rotation?
like maybe 4 or 5 years?
No. The specific exercise for hip rotation. Are you practicing daily, weekly? Sometimes if the teacher teaches.
Yeah, only with you, yes, only with you.
Only with me. So the other years you never practice this hip rotation? Occasionally. That's that. So we can have this hip rotation and it's, imagine like it's a car and you are putting oil. Every time you're doing hip rotation, you are putting oil in your hip joint or in your shoulder joint or in your wrist joint. Right? If we never rotate the wrist, this gets stuck. Yeah? The air gets stuck in between the joints and we have clack, 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 clack. Same in the hip. In the hip is more obvious. Yeah? So every time we are doing the whole rotation, sometimes we feel clack, clack, because maybe you do once in the week, twice in the week. If you start doing this hip rotation every day, this oil is put every day in the joint, every day. So then the car, which is your body, runs smooth. Yeah? So Chintamani and anyone else who is interested in this hip rotation, easy exercise to do every day, anytime. From tabletop, rotate the hip. Yes? Core engage. And then reverse. Yes, this is one easy exercise, more complicated with the straight leg to the side and back. This we've done few times in my class, yeah, whenever we are doing middle split, straddle, front split. Depending on the topic, I also cover this in class. Yeah? Super, guys. Now, everyone take your chair. We will do some shoulder opening and then we go to the wall. So, chair to exercise. First, hand shoulder distance. Those who were this morning in backbend class, forget whatever I said in backbend class. This is different. Similar but different, yeah? Pelvis inside. Core engage. Press the palms and only bring shoulders down without opening the pelvis. Yes, I keep the pelvis in and I bring shoulders down. 1. Hands actively pressing. 2. Up. 3. Up. Yeah? 10 reps. Last rep we will hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start. Pelvis in. 1, 2. Actively pressing with the hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold. Shoulders down. Hold it. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Super. Now the other one. We will take the block between the hands like this. Elbows, shoulder distance, we will walk back. Keep the eyes down, pelvis in, core engaged. Keep the 90 degrees here. Don't do this. Keep the wrist on top of elbows. And again, we will only press and open chest. Controlled. Yeah? Press and open. Exhale up. Press and open. Exhale up without opening the pelvis. Pelvis is in. Same, guys. Pure control of the core. Elbows have to be actively pressing towards the chair. Yes? 10 reps once again and then we will hold. Ready? And we start. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. Inhale, open and hold 30 seconds. Super. Pelvis in, Deepika. Pelvis in, Deepika. Super. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming out. Beautiful. Now we remove the chair, we move the mat towards the wall. Chairs out. Now, Watch me. Take tabletop, arm distance from the wall, hands down. Lift the hips up, press the mat away. Eyes between the thumbs and start walking up, straight line. You will hold it here, option 1. Option 2, one step inside, untuck the toes. Option 3, one step more, squeeze the glutes. Yeah, if you don't squeeze the glutes, this starts to happen. I bring the pelvis in by squeezing the glutes, pressing the mat away. Yeah, otherwise I start collapsing here. Press shoulders to the ears. We hold 30 seconds, 2 rounds. So maybe first round you're here, second round you go closer. Yeah? To come out, either you go towards the side or you save some seconds to come forward and go down to the side. Yeah? Everyone ready? Measure arm distance, guys. Don't go blindly to the wall. Yes, Monica? Unmute.
But actually, I have to go. I just
Yes.
messaged in the chat.
You sent me on the chat, so sorry. Didn't see. Yes. No worries, Monica. I hope you can recover the rest of the class because now we will start with the flow. Yeah? Thank you. Guys, everyone up the wall. Ready for the straight line? Time is on. Press the hands. Pelvis in core engage. Coming up. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Coming out. Very good. Wrist rotation, guys. Or up and down, whatever feels good. This counts for every rep. Yeah, after we come off the wall, any of this. If you feel a lot of pressure, like always, we go into Malasana, wrist on the inside, squeeze, and we open and close. Yeah? So in between any reps, without me saying you go into any of this, to give a little break to the pull wrist. Now, guys, as we advance now on the wall, more attention on the palm. Yeah? Because sometimes we're holding 30 seconds, we forget to press, and then all the weight comes here on the heel of the palm. So, all the time, in your head, keep reminding, core engage, shoulders up to the ears, and this. Legs, whatever we are doing, that is accessory. If this is not in place, whatever you do with the legs will not serve. Yeah, so foundations, if you have to remember something in every rep, hands, shoulders, core and pelvis. The rest, complementary, cherry on top of the cake. Yeah? Second round, if you think you can go deeper, you go one step closer to the wall. Otherwise, same variation. Yeah? Who was asking?
You always wait to distribute the weight, but I always feel only here, and I'm trying, but I can't put the weight on this. How to do it?
So when we are in the plank position, when we are in tabletop, this is the base, the foundation where we learn how to press. Yeah, I repeat in every class. Still, sometimes the body takes a little bit of time to understand how to press, even if you think about it, even if you want to do it. Doesn't always happen automatically. Now, Chintamani, you think of pressing all the corners. You activate and separate the fingers and see how it goes. Yes, we want to press with this part, with the heel of the hand as much as possible. In the beginning, sometimes the palm lifts. Don't worry, it will start to come down as you practice. The thing is, we have to be aware what the hand is doing. Otherwise, one day we come to realize, oh, the palm is not doing what it's supposed to do. So it's delaying your progress. Make sense? Let's go. Second round, Sonia is already up. Look. Sonia, I don't know how long you've been up, but otherwise, calm down. Take a second. Rest of you guys, everyone up. 30-second hold starting 3, 2, 1. Straight line, guys. Straight line. We are doing the same. Straight line. Those who feel comfortable, they will walk closer to wall. Squeeze the glutes. Press, press, press. Shoulders away from the ears. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming down. Take your wrist rotation exercise, whatever you feel like. In the meantime, peel your eyes to the screen, watch me. Next round, we will go all closer to the wall. Yeah? Now, we measure arm distance so we are not too far. We walk up. Yes, now here, one step or two steps. My steps are big, guys. Yeah, my steps are big because I can lift and shift the weight nicely. In the beginning, the steps look like tiny, tiny. So maybe 2 steps in. Yeah? Now, feet together, shoulders to the ears. Keep your eyes to the thumbs. You will lower the knees. Knees are together. Inner thigh squeezing to tuck position. Excellent. Inhale, lower. Excellent. When I go up, I squeeze the glutes. Otherwise, see what happens. I go up like this. I did this when I go up, so as I extend the legs, I squeeze the glutes. The toes are not tucked under. They are not doing this. Chances are if you do this, you will push yourself away. Yeah? Guys, here the weight wants to go more into the hands. The lightest that you are on the hands, the lightest that you are on the wall, the more weight comes to the hands, but also the easier it is to slide down. Now make sure your wall is flat. There's no bumps. Yeah? If you need socks, take socks. I particularly learned to do this with socks, without socks, as long as the wall is flat. Completely up to you.
Ma'am, Anu here. Can you please check my pelvis and guide me, ma'am?
Yes, I'm checking everyone, guys. We go up and down. We try to go for 30 seconds, guys. Don't focus on do fast reps. Focus on engaging everything until you're straight line. Inhale, bending the knees together to touch until your tuck position. Yeah? Everyone up. Everyone up. Starting now. Anu, pelvis is good. Sonia, I don't know how is this tuck gonna work out. I think you're too close. Divya, a little bit more weight to the hands. 1 step inside, Divya as well. Last 10. Rima, yes. 9, 8. Lakshmi, yes. Shiva, yes. 7, 6, 5, 4. Terence, yes. Lila, yes. 3, 2, 1. Deepika, yes. Lila, only thing for you, only correction is knees together. Touch the knees together, guys. If someone is feeling the knees are separating, it's more difficult to control the core, to control the pelvis. If you keep them separate, it will be challenging. Yeah? One more round, same exercise. Take a moment, rotation. Now, as we go up, we visualize. This exercise is new, right? For many of you, we might have done it in another class with me or another teacher. It doesn't matter, the brain forgets. So as we do every exercise on the wall, in your handstand, any other inversion, headstand, Pincha Mayurasana, we want to visualize. What did Patty say? Okay, knees together, straight, and then back. So you visualize what you saw on the screen as you go. Why? It will help you, your brain, to give an image to what you're trying to do, because we can't see the legs. So because we cannot see the legs, we need to give a reference in the brain. Yeah, it's like with God. We can't see God, but we have a reference image. So we can direct this energy. Same thing. Yeah? Second, yes, Rima?
Ma'am, I don't feel lighter on the wall. Anyhow, anytime.
You feel or you don't feel?
Don't feel.
Don't feel. Where is the weight? Because if you have 50% weight on the wall, 50% on the hands, it will not feel light.
I feel weight on the hands and whole palm.
Let me check your shoulders, because maybe you have weight in the hands, the shoulders and pelvis are not coming with you.
Okay.
So let me see. As far as I saw before, it looked good, but the sensation of the weight is a different thing.
Okay.
It might look good from away, but only you know how much weight is in your hands. Yeah?
Okay.
Everyone ready, guys? Second round. Divya, step a little bit more inside than before, okay? Up, 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 up. Time is on, 30 seconds. Press the mat away, core engage, eyes between your thumbs. Rima, yes, it's looking good, but because you're too close, you might feel more weight also on the wall. If you are a teeny tiny away, you might feel lighter. Sandeep, knees together. Terency, yes. Sonia, smooth. Chintamani, beautiful. Divya, much better. Keep the pelvis on top of shoulders. 5, 4. Lila, knees together. 3, 2. Pragya's looking good. 1. Slowly down. Everyone down, wrist rotation. Sandeep, yes. Good. One more. Sandeep, one more and down.
Like coming out from
Take
the
a
wall.
rest. Yes, Rima?
Coming out from the wall is improving. I
Coming
feel.
down from the wall is improving. Those who've been coming for my class for a long time, you might notice that you spend less energy coming in, less energy coming out, which is always beautiful. Yes? Otherwise, I will send later cartwheel class for beginner intermediate. Yeah, cartwheel help us go in the wall, out the wall easily. Yeah? Now, we will flow a little bit more. Yes? Straight line tuck and straddle. Same thing that we did on the floor. Hope you can see. Again, I will take one arm distance for reference. Press the palms. Come up. This time, only one step inside. Straight line. Tuck. Open. Straddle. From here, squeeze the glute, straight line. Tuck. Open, straddle. Squeeze the glute, straight line. Tuck. Open, straddle. Not easy? Yes? We want to move slow. Don't come down like me, guys. I was not really thinking, only talking. Come down on the side. Don't try what I just did, yeah? Guys, straight line, tuck, straddle. Yes? The toes are pressing to the wall. Everyone up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up the wall. Add your own rhythm. Straight line, tuck, straddle. Yes, Meghna, Shiva, Rima, open both legs at the same time. Lakshmi, untuck the toes. Leela, close back to tuck position. Eyes down, tuck position. Leela, you're stuck. Slowly, tuck. Yes. Now straight line, continue. Terence, yes. Sonia, I can't see your legs. When you come down, adjust the camera. Chintamani, yes, but lower more in the straddle if you can. The legs either side of your pelvis. Slowly, slowly down. Yes, Chintamani, that's a good straddle. Guys, those who are tucking the toes on the wall, it's scarier with the toes tucked. Untuck the toes. Yeah, the toes, don't keep them tucked. Press the top of the toes against the wall. Yeah? Now, second round, we will start straddle, tuck, straight line, straddle, tuck, straight line. Yes, I'll show you just for reference, but it's the opposite direction of the flow. Same distance, up, 1 step inside. Yes, we will start in the straddle, toes pressing. I cannot open the pelvis like this, guys. I need the pelvis in. So I'm squeezing the glutes the same that I will be doing here, but it's less visible on camera. So straddle, straight line, tuck. Straddle, straight line, tuck. Yes? Ready? Everyone up. Guys, don't go too close to the wall. Otherwise, if you're not used to it when you open straddle, you won't have the space. Yes, from arm distance, 1 step inside. Let's go. Straddle, straight line, tuck. Eyes down, straddle, straight line, tuck. Anuva, start. Straddle, straight line, tuck. Straddle, straight line, tuck. Last one, guys. This is going beautiful. Straddle, straight line, tuck. Super, guys. Calm down, wrist rotation. You have to be very proud of this, huh? There was a moment everyone was doing the flow. Shoom, 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 smooth. Super. I know the wrists are crying. I know maybe you are hating me a little bit for pushing you too much, blah, 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 blah. Guys, this handstand game is tough. What can I say? Tough for everyone in the beginning. Like it looks effortless when you practice enough. Otherwise, it's a pain. It's not one of these workouts that you enjoy every time. One day you will be, oh my God, I love it. One day is like, I want to cancel everything, quit the class and not come back again. Yeah? Some days are like this. We just go with the flow, literally. Yeah, if we think too much, you don't want to come to the handstand class because there are parts that are tough. Yeah, you cannot see the legs. You don't know what the heck is going on in your legs. Part of the game. Yeah, until we develop this awareness, and then we can go smooth, precise. All of this requires pure presence. Yeah, in the handstand, like in life, like in anything you do, right? Presence, presence, presence. But one thing is the theory, one thing is the practice. In handstand, when you're not present for a second, the alignment goes wrong, you forget to press your hands. If you are off the wall, you lose the balance. So it forces us to be Right here, right now, nowhere else. Not even 1 second back in the past, 1 second in the future. Yeah? So always aware. Next flow, guys.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, for me, it's difficult to move together both the legs.
Yes. That happens. That's why when we are practicing on the floor, guys, we want to go slow. From touch, slow. Yeah?
Ma'am, floor I can do, but wall
I
can't.
know. I'm saying the practice starts at the floor. So when we go to the wall, it becomes easier. Never will say it's easy. But if we practice on the floor, the brain is already okay. This is what we are going to do later. Yeah? If we go directly on the wall, it's more difficult. You have not experienced this anywhere else. But here you are more conscious, more able to press, more able to engage the core as you flow. Yeah? Guys, this is a game of repetition, 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 boring, boring, repetition. Nothing else. For good and for bad, guys. I also hate monotony, repetition, but what can we do? Handstand is like this. Yogasana is like this. Pranayama is like this. Meditation is like this. Anything worth in life is like this. Yeah? Now, same distance. I'm not going to entertain here. Up, up, up. One hand up. Now we will go from straight line, open diamond, close stack, and up. Straight line, open diamond, close stack, and up. Those who can go closer, they will go one step closer. Straight line, open diamond. I'm almost feather touch, yeah? All the weight is in the hands. Close stack, and up. Opa. Yeah? If you can go in the air, go in the air. But guys, this is not the class to go directly in the air. Feather touch on the wall, super. Right now. Yes, it gives us the control and the autonomy as well to be almost away from the wall. Feather touch. Your nail is touching. Shum, shum, small, smooth. Yeah? 99% weight on the hands, those who want to go lightest. The 1% is your nail on the wall. Ready? Everyone up. Straight line diamond. Tucking up. Straight line. Open diamond. Toes together, knees to the sides. Close tuck. Straight line. Continue. 3 more. Keep pressing hands. Keep the shoulders top of wrist. Anuba, shoulders don't go forward. Keep them on top. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, guys. Super. Sit in Malasana. Bring the wrist on the inside. Squeeze. Press with the legs. Maximum. And now open the fingers. Spread the fingers and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Sit down. Take a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale. Reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life's great human experience, and the evening that comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and three Shantis. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your eyes, your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Do a beautiful smile. Namaste.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Pati.
so much, guys. Super. These flows are starting to look good. We always want to look for more lightness on the wall. Yeah?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, be proud of this. It's a good class. There is no one here who didn't even struggle to go to the wall, guys. Everyone is reaching the wall. Everyone is flowing faster, slower. This is part of the process. But we are there to keep going every day. One little grain of salt, one little grain of salt, tin, 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 and then we have 1 kg of wins. One day. Yeah? Slowly, slowly, guys. Always. The mindset is one day at a time. Yeah? Super, guys. I'll see you tomorrow
you.
for more. Yes, thank you, thank you. Have a good evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.